Hey there! Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials channel. Today, we are talking about on how to sign up in Sendsteps AI. If you are a presenter, a teacher, or someone who regularly acts with curves, then Sendsteps AI is here to enhance your communication and make it truly interactive. So, I know that you are now so excited and join me on this exciting journey with Sendsteps AI. First step, let us go to a browser and at the search engine, type sendsteps.ai. This one. Okay, so after typing, click enter and let's wait for a moment. Alright, so there we go, guys. Okay, we can now start signing up in Sendsteps AI. So this is the website of Sendsteps AI looks like. Okay, so second step, click sign up for free. Okay, let's click that. And after that, it says here, welcome to Sendsteps. Create your free account, okay, or log in. Alright, so all you need to do, guys, now is to click, okay, this. If you are going to write or type your first name here, your last name, your email address, and of course your password. But don't you worry, because we can also create our account. We can also sign up in Sendsteps AI through linking our LinkedIn account or linking our Google account. Alright? So now let's stop this sign up with Google, since we are going to use our Google account here in signing up. Okay, so let's wait for a moment, and then since I have a lot of account here, so all I have to do is just to top my Gmail account. Okay, so after that, after choosing an account, guys, we can now proceed to the next step. Okay, so the next step or the final step is welcome. We can now start creating our first Sendsteps. We can start generating our presentation and start from template. Okay, the last step is all you need to do is to browse and explore the world of Sendsteps. So these are the templates of Sendsteps. Alright, so there are a lot of stops here. And over here, this is where you can see your library, your templates, and the settings, and etc. Alright, so there we go. This is on how to sign up in Sendsteps AI. So if you want to know on how to sign up in Sendsteps AI, that's the easiest way I know. And if you know another way on how to sign up in Sendsteps AI, just leave a comment below and be sure to subscribe for more videos. Bye, guys!